Hi, this is JMAC with JMAC Engine Shop, and this is for Philip. He sent me his engine. I've rebuilt it, and so this is a engine completion video. The engine number is FM94446UCE, and today's date is September the 21st of 2021. And so I ran it for about 45 minutes or so, 45 minutes, and let it cool down, and readjusted the valves and retorqued the head, and did a compression check. And this engine's been completely gone through. The crankshaft's been turned, and new bearings and new pistons, and it's been bored 20 thousandths over, and the head was completely gone through, and it's got double springs, and has a double timing chain and timing gears, and so it's been completely balanced. And the head was shaved down to 2.99 inches, just under 3 inches, and that increases the compression. And with the flat top pistons, it ought to have about 9.5 to 1 compression. And so the compression numbers were 187 on number 1, 191 on number 2, 194 on number 3, and 185 on number 4. And those are good numbers. I think they'll go up. I think they'll even out after the rings get seated, and so that'll be good. So we'll run it for you and let you hear it. It builds good oil pressure, about 75 at start when it's cold. Lowest I saw today was about 50 at idle, and it was a low idle of about 800. So we'll crank it up and let you hear it roar. And so that's fuel pump you hear clicking there. About 800 RPMs, about 60 pounds of oil pressure. Temperature's about 190. Drop back. It's a little bit below 50, but that's normal. I think if we sat here and watched it, it would go up over 50 again. But anyway, there you have it, folks. It's ready to go. Ready to pick up. Didn't find any leaks. Runs good. So we'll get it off the stand and get it set aside for you whenever you're ready to come pick it up. That'll be great. So thanks for watching.